I'm getting ready. It's gonna be a very mellow day. It's raining outside. It's Saturday. It's the weekend. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. I cannot find my necklace. It's this like little pendant necklace that I have. Gone. And I had the matching earrings. Gone. But starting off this makeup tutorial with the Morphe color corrector, this is the fastest thing to go out of my collection. So I'm in this spring cleaning mode, which is why my room looks a mess, because I'm getting rid of a lot of things and like taking out all the clothes that I don't normally wear, trying to find a new home for them. I have a big bag that's going to Goodwill. I have a big bag that is just stuff that I have for sale. So trying to get rid of a lot of stuff as it relates to makeup. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of my makeup that I have before I start buying new stuff, because every spring, like without fail, the industry comes out with like a whole bunch of new releases, new makeup that we should try. I know, at least for me, like I still have a lot of my old makeup. Blend out my color corrector with this brush right here. It's the Morphe 173. It looks like this. It's just a dome flat top. I used to use this for my concealer until I figured out that it's not the best at getting into all the little like crevices of my face. So I put this one down and I adopted a new brush for concealer. But this one, I still like to use it for my color corrector, because for my face, gonna be using the NARS. It's not the right shade. Not the right shade for me. So I'm gonna show you how to use a foundation if it's not your shade. I'm gonna show you what to do with it and how to kind of like phase it out of your makeup collection, especially if it's an expensive one like this. This retails for like $54. I'm not gonna throw this away. So I'm gonna show y'all how to take this and make something out of it. First, I'm gonna contour my face because I'm doing the underpaint method. So I'm gonna put the contour on my forehead like this. This is going to be a really light makeup look. Put a little bit on the sides of my nose, up into the corner of my eye like that. This is something that I've been trying to use all the way up as well, because I bought the curve case and end up using only one color out of the whole palette. That is something I ran into a lot when I was getting into makeup. Sure, it's very fun to have an entire palette of like all these different colors and stuff, but when you realize you only use 1 out of 8 colors, then you question whether or not you made the right purchase. You know what I mean? So tired of that when it comes to makeup. Takes up a lot of space, which is what no one tells you about being a makeup artist. Like, you have to find storage for all these things. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is by NYX. For my eyebrows, I saw one of the famous makeup artists. I saw him do like a brow tutorial and I really liked how he did it. He pretty much gave the woman a brow lift, and I'm going to be trying to do that right now. I'm going to go into this blush palette. I'm just going to use... this one is very pretty. Let's see. I haven't added the foundation yet. Putting on the blush first really helps you to get a blended look without any harsh lines. And then I go in with a foundation brush and I just like start swiping it in the areas that I have not put my contour or my blush. And you're just creating dimension for your face. Put it on my forehead, under where I put the contour. Not trying to mess up my eyebrows, so I try to like go right on top. Take a little bit of that foundation and just go right underneath my eye a little bit. I'm gonna do this with this concealer, but I have some left over on my brush. We are ready to blend. Take my beauty blender. Since this is the underpainting method, you have to remember there are some patches in between the contour and the foundation that are gonna need some extra product. I'm just gonna blend that line between where the foundation starts and where the contour starts. My 2 setting sprays is the Continuous Prep and Set, and also the one Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Shake this up real good. Spray my face. Shake this one up real good. That dry. This is an illuminating spray, so this is gonna help me glow. I still have the other one drying down, but I'm just gonna spray this one on top. Okay, so now that like my makeup and my face is officially done and I've set everything, I'm going to be using some lip glosses that I need to get rid of. So I have 3, 2 of which are the same. So I guess I was almost running out of this one, and this is like new. It's like a replacement. So I'm gonna be using that. But normally what I do when I'm trying to get rid of a lip gloss is I'll just take it with me and put it in my purse. Y'all, this is the finished look. Been loving this look lately. Yeah, I think this one is a little bit more toned down because of the blush. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Bye.